Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous class, we had learned about the types of pollination. Today, we will see the detailed view of anemophily. Anemophily, which means the pollination carried out by wind. Now, in this flowers, we'll observe the size of the flower is very small. They are not bright colored, they are green. They are green because they do not need to attract the insects. Also, they are inconspicuous. Now, if we look into the structure of the, not structure, but the positioning of the stamen, we'll find they are seen exposed, hanging outside. And why is it? So that they can drop off the pollen grains directly into the air. The stigma, that is the female part, is seen again hanging outside. They are exposed, as well as they are feathery. Feathery because they can trap the pollen grains which are dispersed in the air. So the stamen as well as stigma, both are seen exposed, hanging outside. Then comes the pollen grains. The pollen grains, which are small in size, they are dry, they are light in weight, so they can be lifted up easily by the wind current. Then comes the production of pollen grains. Here we will observe that the production of pollen grains is in abundance. Why? Because there is a chance of wastage of pollen grain. So in order to compensate the loss of the pollen grains, the number of pollen grains produced here is in a huge amount. One such example is of cannabis flower, which we commonly call as bhang. So a single cannabis flower produces around 5 lakh pollen grains. So you can understand how huge the amount is. Next, these flowers do not produce nectar and they do not have any fragrance of their own. So this is all about wind pollination. Thank you.